I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Teams and signing in with your work or school account. This ensures access to calendar and permissions. Next, go to Calendar, click New Meeting, type a clear title, add attendees, and set duration. Once done, choose whether to add an online meeting link automatically. Make sure to check the time zone. If you need an immediate session use Meet Now, then adjust attendees and settings before inviting so everyone gets the right link. You now configure the meeting for smooth execution. Start by adding a concise agenda and uploading relevant files to the meeting chat or OneDrive so participants can preview. Next, open meeting options to control lobby behavior, decide who is a presenter versus attendee, and enable mute on entry to reduce noise. Then test camera and microphone in device settings, try background blur or custom background. Once these steps are done, confirm recordings and caption settings if you plan to capture or transcribe the session. You run the meeting by starting on time, toggling recording and live captions if required for accessibility or notes. When presenting, choose Share Content, then pick the entire desktop, a single window, or PowerPoint Live. Make sure to give control only to trusted participants. During Q&A, use raise hand and chat to manage interruptions, and assign action owners verbally. Finally, end meeting for everyone, then post the recording, transcript, and follow-up notes in the chat. If joining fails, check network, update Teams, and relaunch the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.